This is the EDI Data Logger. The way you can get access to it to change the batteries and to operate it is to remove the SD card that is in the top, peel off the outer cover like so, and remove the cover here on the battery compartment. And here you'll see that it has 3 AAA or AA batteries in it. These are fresh batteries that were just put in earlier, so they are good, and I'm going to leave them there. I'm putting the case back on the instrument to protect it. Now, when I'm using this instrument outdoors, sometimes I'll put a rubber pad also under it. Now, this rubber pad is very nice here for keeping from transmitting noises on a wooden table up through the data logger and picking up the vibrations and stuff, so it does dampen it a bit. Now, if you want to lessen that dampening, you might want to take and remove the case from it and put it directly on your surface that you're going to be using this on. Generally, I will locate this in the middle of my place where I'm doing my investigation. I try to put a camera on it, and I also or around it, so that I know what's happening around the data logger when it's making these recordings. I like to be able to sync my recording to the data logger so I can see what was occurring at the time and what may have triggered any incident that this data logger records. A lot of times I could do this with both a video camera or an audio recorder, or both. But for right now, I'm just going to demonstrate with the use of the video that we're creating right now. And I would say, okay, I'm about to hit the power button now in 3, 2, 1, go. And we're recording. Now you can see that everything lit up. It's showing the temperature right now at 70.4 degrees in the room that I am in. Now then, if the temperature goes up or down, the red or green light will come on, and you're seeing as I tap the case that the lights across the bottom are lighting up, indicating it's recording vibrations. Now then, if I want to look at vibrations, I can look at vibrations by hitting the different things here and power them on and off. Now the display was just changed. Now I'm picking up the milligausses, and you're showing 0 milligausses. And I'm going to go back and start the recorder. You see the red light flashing up at the top, indicating that it is now recording. So everything is being recorded to this SD drive as we're going on here. And I'm going to go back to the temperature. Now also, there is a speaker that can be turned on so that it will make a sound in display. I'm changing my display back to temperature right now, and you saw the temperature light up. The temperature is now increased to 71.2 degrees in here. So as I'm doing this recording, it's actually getting a little warmer in here. It started at 70. But anyway, we can change the display and watch different things. Now, right now it's looking at milligausses. There's recording, and it's showing that there are no milligausses in the area. Now, if I were to introduce something to it, we would be getting milligausses. And now we're doing barometric pressure. Now it's doing humidity, the relative humidity. You saw the green light come on. So now I'm going back to temperature. Still on temperature here, but no, it's barometric pressure. This is your milligausses here for your electromagnetic field around the meter. And here you go under pressure, which is, you saw the light come on, 26.2. Now we're back at humidity, which is 32 point, well, it's fluctuating a little bit there. Now this data logger is recording everything that's going on every second, so that anytime I see activity in the log, when I call the log up and look at it on my computer, I can see at what point that is. I can now look at the 0 point when I started the meter here and sync it to the camera when I hit count it down from 3 to 1 and play the camera and watch till I get to the point where I'm in the log as to what caused the temperature change, or whether the meter was dropped, or if there was a vibration. You can see that even hitting the table here, it's recording the vibrations. And I'm not hitting the table hard. I noticed that it actually went off when I moved my hand. So, but anyway, in essence, this is what the data logger does. I will show you a copy of a file from the data logger. See if we show you more about what this data logger does and why I consider this such a valuable instrument in carrying out our investigation. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you'll come back and see some of our other instruments and what we do with them. Thank you.